to 1 and tell you to open your eyes, you will see that you are in very divine place, and in front of you, your favorite God. When you see your God, when you see your Lord, you immediately start praying and asking the wishes about your life. 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. Watch your God. Watch your God. Yes. And you can ask for any wishes for your new life. It is a chance to get the very good life. Yes, the God is giving you the chance. The God is with you now.